All right, I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you what you are going to get when you gain access to this Revit Tutorial Masterclass. It is not a case of what I see is not what I bought. Okay, so when you have gotten this course and you have been given access, these are the things you are going to see, the topics you are going to see. And any of this topic, you can see as I'm hovering over it, you see it is clickable. Once I open it up, you are going to see the video, and the ones that are not video, you see whatever that are there. So the number one you are going to see there is how to screenshot your computer screen. This is very important. This helps to facilitate communication between me and you. There are sometimes I want you to tell me what is going on your computer. I want to see what is going on your computer. So I will tell you how you can screenshot your computer screen. Then there are sometimes that I will want to show you something right from my own room here. In that case, I will need to either screenshot my computer or create a video for you. So it is very important. Then you see how you can resolve errors in project browser not responding. There are some times that the project browser refuse to respond, and if you don't know what to do, you can stand there for a whole day and you are not moving anywhere. So but by experience, I have known what to do, and in this video you are going to learn that thing, what you would do to get out of that error immediately and continue your work. All right, then in this session you are going to learn how to import AutoCAD file to Revit, and you can see here is introduction day one. What this means is that we picked a particular project that we started modeling from scratch, and on the one you see what we did there. Then in day two, you will see how you can download these videos using your phone so that you can watch it at your leisure time and you don't have to be burning your data again. Then still the one, you will still learn how you can download these videos using your computer so that you can watch it as many times as possible. All right, then you will learn how you can install Revit software and register it. So these are all the things you are going to learn. You can see those topics. There are so many of them. You can see them here. This is not the end. If I click on this arrow, it will take me further to page 2. Now I am on page 2. You can see page 2 started from day 14. Day 14, day 15, and day 17. You can go on and on. This is day 33, and this is page 2. That is still not the end. If I click on this arrow, it will take me to page 3. You can see page 3 started from how to dimension an irregular site in Revit. Okay, you can see how to assign door and window tags in Revit. These are where we are for now, and that is still not the end. I'm still adding updates from time to time. So there is nothing you are going to lose if you gain access to this course. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the main course. All right, bye.